We've got a beautiful 1966 Chevrolet Custom 10 pickup truck. It did a nice job of keeping the vintage charm, but boy, has it got the updates. It's got a Jeff White motor under the hood, a 406 making almost 500 horsepower, vintage air, overdrive trans, big brake kit, big wheels. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this thing's a beauty. The bodywork is very nice. It's all straight, all fits real nice, all metal, all clean, nice lines. It's a handsome truck from the factory. So all good looking curves and lines and beautiful. But all the way down to the bottom, the rockers, the fenders, the doors, all nice and clean. All fits real well. Jambs are painted real slick. Nice solid thunk. The bed is nice and straight, no rust, no damage, all beautiful. Tailgate's looking really nice. I don't see any issues at all. Same thing on this side, all clean, straight metal, clean body, no rust, no damage. It looks like the Matador red on a 57 Chevy, kind of an orangish, reddish color, but it's painted real slick, real glossy, real shiny. This door opens and closes real nice as well. And it looks like all the chrome and trim was replaced. Now, they at some point started calling the trucks a C10. This is the custom 10. That's where it came from. I don't know what the 10 actually meant. But all the trim looks like it's replaced. The trim here, the mirrors, the handles, the moldings, the emblems, all looks like it's been replaced. And being the custom 10 comes with the extra trim. I assume the grille and the bumpers, an old truck back then would have just been painted. Looks like it has halogen headlights. These lenses are replaced. All new smoked glass. I have the window up on the other side, down on this side. You got the nice vent windows, but all of that was replaced. It's all smoked. All new rubber seals, even around the vent windows, weather strips replaced. Those are 22-inch wheels, US mag wheels with the performance tires. The truck is lowered down on it. It has a great stance. Check that out. They're extra wide wheels. Has the Willwood big brake kit behind them too. It looks really sharp. Chrome bumper in back. All right, let's open it up. Give you a tour of the inside and the engine. We got a couple little surprises you're gonna like. All right, so they have brand new polished chain and latch. You just lift the hook out of both sides and the tailgate drops down. Inside's completely refinished. You can see all the metals painted. They put in extra wide tubs for the big wheels that are under there. And I like how they did the bottom, flat black wood with a gloss black rails, stainless hardware throughout. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified when the videos are posted. I love this little flare off the top of the roof. That's always looked cool. And then they've painted all the metal inside, the door jambs, the inside of the doors. You got new handles and armrests, new sill plates. I told you I got a couple surprises for you. Look at the nice original gauge cluster. Well, it's not so original. It's all modern. It's 3,378 miles since the restoration, but I love those gauges, even the tachometer. Vintage air, electric slides. Has a modern stereo, JVC with Bluetooth, auxiliary plug, and there's a little microphone, so it must be hands-free. There's a Sirius XM satellite receiver, and also instead of an antenna mounted, they have this antenna here. All the metals painted real nice. The AC vents were installed very nicely. Completely rewired, has the modern fuse panel, carpeted floors. The seat's rebuilt. I can tell by sitting on it. Nice cushion, and it has the vintage houndstooth cloth insert in the seats. And then again, everything's painted real nicely inside. We got new visors, a new mirror. We have a tilt column with a deluxe steering wheel, billet handle. Speakers are under the seat, couple speakers sitting underneath there. And yeah, that's the interior. Very nice. Again, keeping the nice vintage feel, but also some nice modern touches. And I knew I was wrong when I was saying it in the beginning. This is not a Jeff White motor. It's a Skip White performance engine, new. It's a 406 small block with making 497 horsepower, 518 pounds of torque on the dyno. We have the video of it on the dyno. It has AFR aluminum heads, Edelbrock aluminum intake, a giant dual feed polished polycarb with the premium fittings and lines and fuel regulator, MSD distributor and ignition system. We have some coated headers down there. And you can see everything is just painted neatly and installed neatly. Look at how the hoses are all wrapped and clamped and look good. It has a big aluminum radiator with an electric fan. And then the front of the engine has a CVF front runner system. So it's billet bracket, billet serpentine pulleys, a mini polished AC compressor, polished one-wire alternator, polished power steering with the remote reservoir right here. Then the motor is dressed up with a matched set of air cleaner, breathers, valve covers, and plug wire holders. And we got power brakes with a Willwood master cylinder. And then we have the CVF billet hinges that I love so much. They look good, but they also function so nice and smooth. And then you see all the metal, everything is painted up real nicely. Nice installation. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs, and we'll see you in a couple minutes.
Everybody, really sweet truck here, man. Had a chance to go around the block in this one, and this 406 Skip White V8. Cheap boogies. Nice performance build on that one. Rated at something like almost 500 horsepower. That being paired up with the 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission gives you some really nice cruisability out of this. Really lowered suspension. I didn't notice any rubbing or anything like that last time around. And some really nice Dakota Digital gauges too that are like backlit. And they just look fantastic. Great sound exhaust too. Let's see what she's got. All right. And just like that, we're up to about 60 miles an hour. We did put in a work order for the speedometer on this one. Just needs some little tweaking. Our shop will get on it. It'll be functioning properly before it goes out to the new owner. Let's see how it goes down the street here. Heck yeah, guys. Look at that, how it's set up. Man, nice alignment, good setup on the front end. Really can't ask for much more. Oh, I forgot to mention the air conditioning is on as well. It's just eased into her, plenty of power. What a great truck. Consider pushing the buy it now button because it's that good of a build. And And yeah, come on, test drive it if you think you got time to, before somebody snags it up. As always, check out things at volocars.com.
So the body was off the frame for the restoration. The underbody is painted the same gloss red, all nice clean metal. Steering and suspension looks like it's all been gone through. It does have lowering springs and shocks on it. Nice sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust system. The big brake kit from Wheelwood, so it's the big discs. They are drilled and slotted at all four wheels, and has 6 piston calipers front and back. I never see 6 piston calipers in the back, but this one's got them. It looks good through the wheels. Looking up at the motor, it's clean, high torque starter, chrome flywheel cover, 700 R4 overdrive automatic trans for nice cruising down the highway. Big aluminum drive shaft. The rear end's completely rebuilt. He said the housing is the only thing not new in the rear end. The axles, 342 posi, all of that is new. So someone's going to get a really nice truck with a really nice marriage of modern and vintage. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions like how you're going to get your 1966 Chevy delivered home. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.